What up, guys? This is Pastor Cano again. We're coming up with another tutorial in JavaScript. We're going to be talking about block scope using let. So since we have been working with if statements, we have been doing a lot of block of code inside our if statements. So let's just do an example. Let's just do if true, open curly braces, and then our block of code is going to be inside this. We're going to say show message, and then we're going to do a yes, and then with semicolon. Let's save that. Let's refresh our browser. It give us a yes. Inside our block of code, we also can use a variable name. Well, let's use the keyword let, and also let's give it the name or value, and that's going to be equals to yes. And let's finish with the semicolon, and then right here in show message, we're going to say value. And let's save that, and then it should give us still the same answer, yes. So variable that you do inside the block, you only can use it inside this block of code. If you want to access that outside, let's just do a console log. Let's see what's going to give us. Console.log. Let's just do value, and then semicolon. Let's save that, and it's giving us an error right here. Value is not defined, so basically you cannot use or access that variable outside of the block of code. Okay, but this is, let me give you an example. There's a way you don't have to use var. If you use var in here, this will change. This console.log is going to say to yes, which means it's saying that you can use it. See over here, yes. So this is a little bit confusing, so you don't have to use, that's why they don't recommend to use var. So either you use let or const. Let's use const, save that, give a yes, and also give us the error right here. Alright guys, so thank you very much for checking the video, and hopefully this helped you, and we'll see you in the next video. Alright, have a good night. Bye.